For today's episode, let's try out this Filipino restaurant here at Buda. This is Sebastian. This is located at Barangay Baganihan, Marilog District, Davao City, or simply Buda. And if you're looking for a restaurant to escape the hustle and bustle of the city, then this restaurant is definitely one of my recommendations. This is their menu, guys, and this is what we ordered. We got their Batangas Lomi. We also got their Binagoongan Crispy Pata. This is their Kare-Kare. We also got Basti's Fried Chicken. This is Gising Gising, and their pork barbecue. Their pork barbecue was really flavorful. Kanisha, I really like this one a lot. Ang ilahang chicken naman, it was so-so, nothing really special for me. Pero in fairness, ako ang anak, daghan kig nakaon na chicken. The Binagoongan Crispy Pata was really good, pero kulang lang kaayo siya og crispiness for me. Pero para sa ako, ang winner jud ani is the Batangas Lomi. To be honest, I'm not a Lomi fan yun, guys. Pero ganahan kay ko sa tiplada ani na Lomi. And ako ang anak sad ganahan pud kaayo sa sabaw niya. Time for my overall rating, guys. So for the food, considering its price, I give it 8 out of 10. Yes, a bit pricey siya, but considering the location, understandable man sad. Place for me is an 8 out of 10. I really like the view here. Nice kaya siya pang chill. So kato lang, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye!